Oh wow. To touch my tongue first. What's good, YouTube family? Welcome back to This Girl's Life with your girl, Tiffany. All right, today I got my mom here with me.
Howdy doody.
And we are about to partake of a challenge. The Scorpion Hot Sauce Challenge, to be exact.
Don't be over me. It don't sound good.
It don't sound right? The Scorpion Hot Sauce Challenge. This challenge is originally by at Xtina Grubz on YouTube. I saw her do it, but then I saw my girl Get Lit with Mo and Mimi do it, and it was the most hilarious shit ever. It made me feel like, all right, girl, you gotta try this. I love a good hot sauce, but I don't know if I like it this hot. But we about to see. So, Mom, you ready?
Got 911 on deck.
All right, so I got the wings right here. I just fried up some chicken wings. This is 10 wings, so that's 5 wings a piece. We're gonna see if we can make it. I got on the side, I just made some white rice to go with some chili that I had made. Yes, and that's about to be good.
Delicious.
It was delicious. It's even better today, actually. I tasted it before I came out the kitchen. I was hungry. Okay, I've been waiting for these wings. All right. This freaking hot sauce has on the box, if you can see across the top, it has 5 flames.
Oh, hell no.
5 flames. So that's how hot this damn sauce is.
She didn't tell me that.
No, I didn't tell her that.
She not tell me that.
I roped her into this challenge, y'all, without telling her all the details.
Oh, God.
But, I mean, look, I told her it was Scorpion hot sauce, so when you hear Scorpion, you already know that this is not about to be good for nobody. So, wait. You a plate. I got a plate for me. All right, I'm about to open this hot sauce. Let me smell it.
Oh shit, not good.
Oh, God.
This is by Tabasco.
Oh.
Smell it.
Oh, my God. Oh, Lord Jesus. You know what? I'm fucking out.
Already?
Already.
You didn't even taste it.
That smell opened up my sinuses. Shoot.
Oh,
Oh, my God. Okay, I might be able to do one.
all right.
Who knows?
You want to start with, we're going to start with one at a time.
One at a time.
Okay? Your wing is on your plate. I'm going to break mine in half before I put the hot sauce on it. I'm kind of nervous. Wait, the funny thing is my mouth is getting moist as I break this chicken apart, but I'm not excited about putting this hot sauce on it. All right.
Don't mess up.
All right.
I'll put it on my tip.
Oh my God.
Oh,
this
Lord.
thing smells
Yes,
wrong.
it does.
I got my water on deck.
I got my milk.
Mommy got her milk. Let me open this water because I'm scared. And I'm going to need to stop sniffing the sauce or I'm going to back out before I even taste it.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
All right, can we?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh,
I'll
1, 2,
just take
3,
3.
4, 5. No, we going equal. 1, 2,
5.
3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh Lord.
It smells bad.
Yes, it does.
It smells like you shouldn't eat this.
Messing with that.
I got some ranch right here on deck too, just in case.
Oh, where's that?
It's right here in the middle.
Okay, good.
There you go.
Put the whole bowl in my
There you
mouth.
go. Mom is visually impaired, so if you see her just feeling around on stuff, fondling the food and stuff,
I'm not drunk.
she ain't drunk, right?
Are you ready?
All right. Ready. 2, 3. Oh wow! It touched my tongue first.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Oh God! Oh God! No!
Oh wow! Okay.
Oh God! No! God, no! I don't like this. Oh God!
I'm the what? Put it in ranch.
You said dip it in ranch?
And dip it in the ranch. It might
I
help
might
a
put a
little
little
bit.
on my plate.
Ooh,
Oh, God.
Oh, no.
You want some?
Mm-mm.
Put some ranch on your plate.
I dipped the whole chicken wing in there.
Oh, you did?
I bring it off. Oh.
Oh, God.
I feel like razor blades on my tongue. I swear.
Mm-hmm. That is not good.
Oh my Lord Jesus. It's still in there. I'm sorry, people on YouTube.
My eyes wet.
We are not going to throw 5 wings with this. I should put a skull and crossbones on that. Because it's dangerous. Now I done messed up my chicken wing.
I don't even know if I can make it with one.
I can't. That's why I put it on my tip. On my tip.
You know how? Oh.
That's how we go.
Mm-hmm.
All right. You know what? I'm gonna try to finish it. Give me. Where my ranch at?
Oh, I can't even talk. That.
Let me try it.
That's that kind of hot.
I'm not gonna.
You drink the water and it.
Take some milk. The milk is better. The milk is better.
It's, Mom, can I swallow?
Oh God. No.
It seemed like it go away, but it don't.
Don't you cry, girl. Don't you
It's
cry.
right there.
Don't you cry, girl. Then hold on your tongue. Hold it in your mouth. Let it sit on your tongue for a little while. Then take it down some. Oh Lord.
My lips.
The side of my face got on my cheek right here. It's burning my cheek.
Oh,
This stuff
fuck. I don't like this. I gotta get paper towel, y'all.
you know.
Oh, my God. Oh, I feel like. I feel like fucking razor blades. Okay, I'm just gonna put the top back on this.
I need this one right here.
I don't think I'm gonna make it, y'all.
I'm gonna make my. Oh God.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh my God.
Ooh, got my throat.
My tongue is
I'm not even
burning.
gonna lick my fingers. No. I'll be tearing up and shit. Ooh,
I feel like
that's some
it
skull.
got on my lip right here. I feel like
Right
I
here.
feel like it's busted open.
It's cutting. Oh God.
I know.
Oh Lord. Can I hold the towel?
I can't even talk. I can't even talk.
Oh God. No.
There's so much I want to say.
Don't cry, babe. Don't
Oh,
cry.
God.
Don't cry. It's bad. It's bad. It's really bad. Don't get this on your skin, girl. This is like nitroglycerin.
Bitch, don't rub your eye by accident.
Oh,
Please
God.
don't.
Nitroglycerin in the
Please
bottle.
don't.
In the bottle. Oh Lord. Y'all call me a punk. I don't care. We all be punks. Y'all be punks too, because this stuff is not. This shit have skull and crossbones on the bottle.
The funny, they got us. I can't even talk. They got us.
Oh my God. Ooh, that shit just gets hotter and hotter. Oh Lord.
It does get hotter and hotter. Like I can't even use my tongue to formulate words.
And my esophagus is on fire. Oh God.
It got a freaking scorpion holding a habanero. My hands are shaking. It got a scorpion holding a habanero on the bottom.
Girl. Oh God. Don't try this.
Oh my
shit.
God.
Oh,
Now wonder. It says it's made. The ingredient. The first ingredient is scorpion pepper.
Girl.
I don't. Y'all, I ate half of this drumstick. The other piece right here on
It's
this
gonna
plate.
stay there.
I can't do it.
I was gonna.
It cool. The funny thing is, it's starting to die down a bit. I don't even want to take the chance and put that shit in my mouth again.
I agree with you totally.
It like dies down and then flares up.
I
don't know.
This uses for Novocaine because I can't feel my fucking tongue.
Yo, I'm scared. I don't want to eat that.
No, I'm not. Call me a punk, chicken, I don't care. I don't care, loser. I put an H on my back and handle it because I don't care. This shit is dangerous.
The only people I've seen make it through this challenge
Was-
was Mo and Mimi.
They ate
I'm
5
just
wings.
gonna say yes. I'm gonna say shout out to y'all because y'all the motherfucking goat.
You my sheroes.
Y'all are the goat, okay?
Nah.
Mm-mm.
Nah. It feel like the shit is coming out my nose. I don't know.
I ate a half a wing and I'm done with almost a whole bottle of water. I don't know if I want to do this.
I know I don't. You really don't.
I'm scared, man, because I want to finish this challenge.
You sitting there motherfucker ready to fucking cry.
Crying,
You
snotting.
brought me 5 wings with that shit on it?
Well, can I at least try to finish this one?
Okay, you can. You mean try to? No.
Come on, man. You real MVP.
Okay,
You got this.
where's that damn red chat?
Hmm.
That shit is. Let's see me a bowl.
I'm gonna have to dip this bitch in ranch. Look at this sauce. Look at that. I'm scared though. I'm scared.
Well, I'm gonna do it.
But I ain't no punk ass bitch. But I'm a punk ass bitch. Okay. You better, I'm gonna do it too. Now, let me dip it in this ranch first.
Did it all over. Put it all over. All right, I did it, y'all.
I wonder if I get it all in at one time.
Ta-da! Oh my god.
Oh my god.
And you put the towel. Look, let's do it. Just don't think about doing it. I did. You know I'm a punk. I don't like hot sauce.
Oh god.
I did it.
Me too. Oh, it.
Oh Lord. Help me, Jesus.
Yeah, I'm done.
I bet you if Dora was here begging for that shit, you gave it to him, he would have begged for more fucking more.
First of all, that's abuse. That's abuse. I wouldn't give. Ooh, it's in the back of my throat.
What the fuck?
Ooh, that's one wing, y'all.
That's it.
And that's that.
Yep,
I ain't doing that.
Donate that damn bottle to homeless. Shit, somebody.
Not the homeless. They don't want that shit.
Somebody. Give it to the Jamaicans. They like hot spice. They like the spices in their
Oh
food.
my god.
Shit, the scorpion.
Y'all.
The ratchets.
One bottle of water down. When you need a bottle of water, her half of a chicken wing.
I'm trying to tell you now. You know, something is not right. Shit. My whole mouth is numb, I'm telling you. I'm sitting here like a true lying. Trust me, I'm
That's
not.
horrible. Now I understand. Now I understand. Now I understand why Shell's closet tapped out. I ain't judge you. I laughed because it was funny. But
Now.
I understand, bro. I get it. I get it. To anybody out there who finished this challenge, shout out to y'all.
Props to you. Word up.
But your girl is done.
Done.
That one wing, I almost died.
I am dying slowly.
I don't like it. I can't do it. I can't do it. I tried. I'm gonna need y'all to like this video.
Yeah.
I'm gonna need y'all to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for me even sitting my black ass here trying this.
Yes. Oh Lord. You gotta give them props. Word up.
My lips is burning right here.
Oh, you can feel it.
They burning.
You can feel your lips.
I feel my lips.
I'm feeling my lips, my tongue.
This is not right. This is not right.
5 different fucking degrees of fire in the bottle.
All right, that's it, y'all. Thank y'all for clicking on this video and watching us try the scorpion chicken challenge. One wing was too much for me, but I finished it. and I took one for the team. I'm not
putting.
putting that on the rest of this good chicken. I'm just not doing
Hell
it.
no,
I'm just
girl.
not doing it. But again, until next time, y'all. Peace.